We should put it up there.
Up where?
Up there.
Yeah, stand in front of the shower curtain. Stand it closer. You're in it. Now, I'm going to come stand next to you. This is the... Just introduce me. Nikki. Waller. Shizzo. Now what do you say? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Bella.
Isabella.
Isabella.
Who's Isa?
Yeah, I say Isabella. You say Isabella. Who?
Isabella who?
Isabella Broken, because I had to know.
Wait a minute, you're going to go through the shower. Are you going to take a shower?
Are you going to take a shower? Say, don't go that way.
Don't go that way, pop in.
Go that way.
Go that way.
That's good.
Mind the gap.
Go that way.
Now.
Set your chin, stretchy, shake.